Hello and welcome to this course on Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. My name is Armando, data scientist and course advisor in Simple Learn.
I have been an IT trainer for more than 10 years with focus areas in project and IT service management, and for the past few years in machine learning and deep learning. Besides being a trainer, I'm a services strategist and an entrepreneur. As a service strategist, I apply machine learning and deep learning to identify customer segments, outliers, and trends that help understand and predict behaviors. As an entrepreneur, I co-founded a company that offers AI products, consulting, and implementation. Here, I lead our AI technical efforts, including, among other things, training, deploying, and maintaining our natural language understanding models. I am very happy you have decided to embark in this new adventure, and without further ado, let's get this party started.
In this course, you will learn about the basic concepts of artificial intelligence or AI and gain a working knowledge to understand it so as to be successful in this data-driven world of today. To get a course completion certificate, you will need 85% OSL attendance plus a score of 80% or more in the course ending assessment. In today's world, it has become almost impossible not to hear about artificial intelligence or machine learning or even deep learning. This course has been designed to give you a jumpstart on important concepts such as machine learning algorithm types, machine learning performance metrics, as well as workflow. Whether you are an aspiring data scientist yourself or managing a team of data scientists, this course can be very useful for you. So let's take a look at one of the very first artificial intelligence humanoid robots, Sophia. Sophia is a social humanoid robot created by Dr. David Hanson at Hanson Robotics. Sophia uses artificial intelligence, visual data processing, and voice and facial recognition. Its algorithm stores and analyzes all the conversations and uses this data to improve the responses in the future. In addition to humanoid robots, technology has advanced forward to facilitate the development of virtual assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, Microsoft Cortana, Alexa's Echo. Intelligent cars like Tesla Autopilot, Google's Waymo, Ford's Argo AI, and even in the gaming industry, Google's DeepMind AlphaGo program, which defeated South Korean master Lee So-dol in the board game of Go. The technology enabling this digital revolution is artificial intelligence.